Welcome to our channel Ecom Global. If you're running a SaaS business, you've probably asked yourself this question 100 times. Should I spend my budget on Meta ads or should I go all in on Google ads? The wrong choice can burn thousands of dollars and still leave you with little to no conversions. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to break down which one works better for SaaS, how to use them effectively, and what you should do next. And by the end, if you're still confused about what's right for your specific business, just reach out to us directly on WhatsApp. We'll guide you one-on-one. Here's the core problem most SaaS founders face. Meta ads, Facebook, Instagram, are amazing at creating demand. But if you don't have the right funnel, you'll get a ton of clicks and very few actual paid users. On the other hand, Google ads are intent-based. People are searching for solutions, so the traffic is warmer. But Google clicks are expensive, and if your landing page isn't optimized, you'll see your budget disappear fast. So the real challenge isn't just choosing one. It's about understanding how each platform fits into your growth strategy. Let's talk Meta ads first. They're perfect for SaaS businesses that need to create awareness or introduce a new product category. They have super powerful targeting, especially when paired with lookalike audiences. They're also great for retargeting people who already visited your site but didn't convert. If your SaaS is new and people aren't actively searching for your solution yet, Meta ads can literally put you on the map. Now, Google ads. They're best for capturing existing demand. People who are already typing in keywords like best project management software or AI CRM tool. The leads are high quality because they're searching with intent. They work best when you have a clear offer and know your customers' pain points. The downside is cost. Clicks in SaaS niches can be $10, $20, sometimes even $50. So if your conversion funnel isn't sharp, you'll waste money quickly. So here's the truth. It's not Meta versus Google. For SaaS businesses, the winning strategy is often using both together. Run Google ads to capture high-intent leads ready to buy. Use Meta ads to retarget those same people who didn't convert on the first click. Or even better, start with Meta to build awareness and then drive those warm audiences to Google searches later. That's how SaaS companies reduce cost per acquisition and scale profitably. But here's the catch. Every SaaS is different. What works for a B2B project management tool won't be the same as a B2C AI writing app. The targeting, funnel setup, copy, and even the budget split need to be customized. And that's exactly where we come in. Instead of guessing and wasting thousands testing ads, you can talk to us directly on WhatsApp. We'll take a look at your SaaS business, your goals, and guide you step by step on whether you should focus on Meta ads, Google ads, or a smart combination of both. So if you want to finally get clarity and scale your SaaS without wasting money, click the WhatsApp link below and let's talk today.